it's Wairimu here from Wairimu Eats, and we are back again with another interesting video. Kama K, kama kawaida. And guys, guess what? One of you just decided today akuje to spoil atupikie on this YouTube channel. And guess what? I'm a foodie, sisi kataa. Ai, nilitikia vibaya sana. But anyway, I want her to introduce herself, and then we can anawambia what you're going to cook today and everything else as we continue.
So hi, how are you doing? I am the subscriber who decided to.
Your name?
My name is Wanjira.
Wanjira who?
Wanjira Kimani.
Hey.
I'm Wanjira Kimani, and I also love cooking, so more reason I'm here. So today we're going to make mokimo ya njogo. If you're Kikuyu, you know, you're familiar with njogo. Njogo in Kiswahili is mbaazi. So we're going to make in English. I'm not so sure, let me not lie. But ni mbaazi na ni njogo in Kikuyu. So basically, it's a very simple meal because you just need spring onions, viazi, waru, and then the njogo itself. Now this is like the main thing. Alafu you need salad and salt. That's all.
Or salad oil?
Yeah. Any mafuta yoyote tu hata kama ni ingine. But I prefer salad. So you need salad. Those are like 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Only.
No,
yeah. Go sure.
It's going to be sweet.
No spices.
No spices. No anything. It's very nutritious.
I'll give you the taste. It's very nutritional. Which one is?
Yeah, it's more like naan. Is there anything called non-spicy meal? Yeah, that's what it is. Haina anything, haina additive yoyote apart from salt.
But spices zetu ni natural stuff.
Well, I prefer to ikwe hivyo.
So leo tunachia mgeni wetu kitchen. I'm going to be asking her some questions as we go on as we go cooking. And I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and as always, enjoy, hit the like button and join the family by hitting the subscribe button.
Yeah.
Who is not just subscribe? What are they?
What are you waiting for? Nini. If I'm here, kama nili subscribe nikakuza hapa, then trust you me. This is the family.
You're next.
Okay, so basically what you're going to do ni kukatakata hizi zikuwa into smaller pieces. Yeah, like very small. Ndio zive haraka.
Oh, true.
If at all you don't have time. No.
Chef. Sasa hivi zinafaa kutoshana hivyo. Such small pieces.
Yeah, ndio hiyo haraka. This is just for, lakini unaweza kaa as big as you can, but juices tuta ndio hiyo tu haraka.
So guys, we are done chonga hizo viazi, na amesema hebu reason ya kuzi make smaller.
The reason why I prefer the smaller, like this tiny, it's because sitaki kukaa sana nikingojea viazi hivi. A lot of people complain viazi zinakawianga kuiva, wengine hata wanatoa kama itaiva. So this is my reason, like when I'm making my mokimo at home, I prefer like very tiny because hata hata ukiwa na kubwa lazima utabonda. So the shape doesn't even matter. Iwe tu haraka tu.
Kwanza I asked her why mokimo, then she's like, me this is the meal I cook when I'm in a hurry. I'm like,
yeah. Like
that's a meal you cook when in a hurry. Mokimo like you.
Inakupanga tu dakika kidogo. And then this is another kitchen hack I have. Like I use at home. Like when I'm making my easy raw ingredients, hata kama ni nyanya ama kitunguu, I normally sprinkle salt. I know in biology.
Kwa raw.
Yeah. Like me siekangi salt, food yangu salt juu. Nekanga salt
before ifike kwa jiko.
Yeah.
Na itaingia ndani. Na itakuwa na salt.
Very sweet. It will be very sweet. Try this. Be very sweet.
Nitawaambia if it works.
Very sweet.
So you won't add any other salt?
No, I won't add any other salt. This is what I do. Like when I'm
na si tulifunzwa na nani? Kuwekana ikiiva.
Sijui. Like guys, hebu jaribini when you after ukiweka hata ukiboil rice, the normal like rice ya white tu. Alafu uweke salt yake kwa maji. Na uweke juu ya salt. Those those are two different
methods.
Yeah, ways of cooking.
Now that is the same. So
no, has it taste the same?
So this one will taste better.
Yeah. This one will
from
taste
the horse's
better.
mouth.
Yeah.
I'm here to give you the taste test.
Yeah. Pia tena usi overdo because it's raw. Inaweza kuwa na a lot. So just itaingia ndani. Alafu when you weka salt kwa viazi, inaivanga haraka. It's also a kitchen hack. Like
venye mimi nakanga nyanya, ushaona nakanga nyanya. Salt ndio hivyo haraka. So nilikuwa naeka nikikatakata.
Ukishakatakata una sprinkle juu. Hata kwa kitunguu just eka juu zote and then you just cook with that instead of waiting for your food to cook.
So this is spring onions tutaweka chumvi.
No, now that nimeweka first na hiyo ina salt. Even when I'm boiling this at home, I boil na salt. Nekanga maji kwa salt and then I boil.
Ukifika tu kanga.
So nikifika karanga I don't need this. Nikuweka tu. Yeah. So that's another reason why nimeweka salt ni kuituma kama mnaweza kumbuka biology tulifunza osmosis, shrinking and
I don't take my subscribers to biology class.
Yeah, so a little bit of is it theory or anything like ukieka hata ukieka
water comes out, water enter,
ina shrink, so inaiva haraka. So that's something else. Hata nyanya ukieka inaiva haraka. So I don't
while cooking.
Yeah, that's the most interesting part. Because of those. So yeah, those are my 2 kitchen secrets out already. And then tukate kitunguu.
Acha tukate kitunguu and then tuonje because I want to see if the salt will be enough.
Yeah, it will be enough.
Yes.
Then trust me.
Hizi ni zangu this mango. I'm going to make a mango salsa later on
to accompany our
mukimo. Kwanza a mango salsa, you just hear that ukali from the kitunguu alafu unapigwa hapo na kamango.
I know.
Nivo.
Mango is such a very big way. Guys, come penye maembe.
Also wanted to ask her some questions. And the first question is, who is Wanjira? Wanjira ni nani?
Well, Wanjira is a girl. Okay, that's very, very obvious. But yeah, to be honest, but I'm a lot of things. I can't say.
What did you study? What do you do right now?
Oh, I studied, or rather, I'm still in the process. But I'm done. Nutrition and dietetics. That is what.
We're a nutritionist. We have a nutritionist.
Yeah, so please, if you need somebody to plan for you,
her link is in the description box.
Please.
Kainalia. Spring on Alia. Imagine me Caribbean.
I think, I don't know.
So Wanjira ni nutritionist.
So yeah, I'm a nutritionist. Behind the scenes, I'm somebody totally out, like minus nutritionist, hustle, normal hustles, normal everything.
No hustle in Nairobi. Everyone is hustling. Everyone has. Tuna hustle.
Soon, nitakuwa YouTuber.
Very. Tuna recruit
very soon. So I'm done shopping. My whatever. Ni mingi.
Spring onions.
Unaweza buy bunch kama 3 zile za 5.
Oh yeah, a lot. So spring onions
like hizi ndo zinatumai mkimo iko na taste.
About the onions.
Yeah,
I came to learn hata si chakula si nyanya. Chakula ni onions.
So these are my onions. I won't allow them to cook because I need the taste. So they won't cook. Staki ishe your taste. Yeah.
So take up kwa pot. Let us bring you closer. So unaweka vitunguu hapo ndani kwenye sufuria yenye inafaa kubadilishwa. It's about time.
Yeah, it's about time.
So a lot of onions.
Yeah, like as many as you can. And then you add salad. Again, salad must be also enough.
Or a lot of oil.
Yeah.
Keep learning.
Yeah. Like
okay.
And then isikujalisha itakuwa enough. Like saizi ni juu we haven't done anything. Like, we haven't add anything, but tuki add hizi vitu the salad won't be as much enough.
So tuashe alafu tuache hivi.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But it's a haikai. Just
ni mbio. Okay. So guys, shake our onions. Mona, we need to let them cook for a while as I continue cut a salad. Nikki chop things and then I continue asking her some more questions.
Yep.
And my second question is, where did you go to school?
Ulisomea
wapi?
Like campus.
Zote.
Hata
primary kama nakumbuka.
Well, primary I think kila mtu alienda shule mingi.
Primary.
Like watu walikuwa wanabadilisha mashule.
Sijui ukiwa class 1
uche. Class nini?
Ukiwa class 3.
Ukiwa nini?
Ulisomea kwa class 8.
Class 8 nilimalizia Ushago. Shule nyingine hapo inaitwa Githudi Primary School. Yeah,
shout out all your classmates in the comment section.
Nobody, trust you me, nobody. Hakuna mtu anajua mwenye alisomea huko.
Niko Moraha.
Nishapatana na mtu but
very few. Kwa social media.
I can't even remember like sijaiwaona. High school nilienda Kanderi Girls High School in Kandema, Moraha. A very good school. Yeah, so campus Mount Kenya. I'm still there. I'm yet to graduate this year. Corona happened.
Kitu ngumu ka graduate. Like inaonanga hata umemaliza shule. But for the graduation process, I think is the longest thing in
alafu let me tell you something about graduating. Like unaweza pata umefanya courses zote, alafu unaenda kwa ofisi unapata uko na pending units.
No, ulifanya
that is what happened to me.
Exam.
Ulifanya exam zote, but I think hiyo time ya clear nini inakwanga na
so many things get lost. System iko ina hurry.
I know. So you just delay like kama mimi delay for
so long.
Yeah, for a very long time. Not long, but maybe
campus
one.
Vice Chancellor.
Yeah.
Please.
So
and I want to ask her another question. COVID nini mazuri imekuletea? Mazuri.
By the way, I'm one of the people who like COVID just came to save my life.
For real?
I mean, for me, COVID is not. It's cold. I can't complain.
Each channel ilianza time ya COVID. So
for real. I know.
Before COVID, singesema ningekuwa YouTube, but like YouTube.
Now I grow by the way. Subscribers in
Thank you all who have subscribed. I am very grateful by the way. Very.
Yeah. So basically, during the pandemic, I think mimi imekuwa tu. Life is about like make the right choices and take time. Time is all we got. Apparently, that's like the whole point. Like I realized time is all we have. So So it's about time. It's about time you step up. It's about time you choose yourself. Like choose yourself every day, every hour. Just do the things that you come fast. That is like the other thing.
There is a friend of mine we met last week. Akaniambia venye hii COVID imemshow enjoy yourself right now. Stop useme nitafanya hii kesho, nitajoin YouTube kesho. Join umesikia? Line.
Yeah. And YouTube kesho.
Like
you only have now.
You only have now.
Yeah, so life is too short. I mean, COVID ili shut down watu wengi sana. Ili shut down a lot of
things. Ikafungua a lot of brains.
Yes. So it was
we're done with the
so now my onions are ready. As you can see, haziko cooked kabisa. Zijangwa. Siache ziungwe. So I'll add my viazi.
Zenye umeka salt.
Don't forget to weka salt.
Okay. Hadi maji natoka.
So this is the reason why it's like that.
Okay. Umesikia leo.
So apparently hii mokimo yetu hatuweki maji. Because hatuweki maji. Already unaona hizo zimetoa maji. So like ukishaka salt, your salt maji yake itatoka. So you don't need to add water. Okay. So macaroni.
Bado iko na maji. Hadi nasikia iko na
maji. So this is like mokimo fry. Mokimo ina maji.
Mokimo fry. Hakuna kuboil.
Atuboil.
Ni hivyo. Sha make it.
No boiling. So you stir as long as you can, and then you just let them cook. Until zikuwe supu.
Okay.
Zina cook kabisa hadi.
So tutafunika tu.
Yeah. Just funika alafu ziive and that's it. And then we add this and we're done cooking.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, amesema you have seen how good it looks and ameita mokimo fry. Mokimo without water.
Yeah.
I have had today.
No soup. I'm a Kikuyu but I don't do soup.
You don't swim?
Yeah. I don't do soup.
And ironically, we swim in food but don't swim in normal circumstances.
Very bad. Kabla upate Kikuyu ameiva kuswim.
Very
tricky.
you.
Yeah.
So we're going just to cover ours up. There's even very fast. And then I want to ask her the second question. What is the biggest? Oh, that. But this is the third question. What is the biggest lie Shasema? The biggest lie.
Nishaisema.
Yeah.
I lied high school. I used to lie to people. But I think the biggest lie is zinakuanga high school, because I feel like high school inakuanga a lot of pressure. Yeah, I used to lie to people about my farm. I never used to expose my farm a lot. So if someone asked me about my farm, I was just like, the biggest. No, this is. I think it's not actually a lie, but I never used to tell anyone my mom's name.
Mbona?
I don't know. I was feeling uncomfortable. I felt like since anaitwa hivyo, I'll feel judged. But it.
Kwani naitwaje?
Apparently ako na jina kwa naitwa Njoki. Like naitwa Njoki. I have never.
You know, ever, for like, lucky name.
I know, but I think hata watu wenye tulisoma nao walitoka kama hawajui jina ya mamangu. It's not really, yeah.
But mbona kwa concern na jina mamako?
I don't know. Because even for her, it's very rare usikie mamangu amesimama amesema my name is this.
So anasema?
Come on. Akuna like ni
looking straight to the point, no names.
Yeah, no names. Like, oh, hey, guys, I'm this, I don't know. So I feel
my mom's name is the hardest ever to tamka.
For real?
It's really Shipa or something. It's just hard. So that's okay. Sisemi justaki, vijusiwezi.
Well, yeah, so they have a biggest lie. I don't think I have, or rather size, I can't kumbuka the biggest lie. But that they all
better question.
Yeah.
Which is the latest lie?
The latest lie.
Kauongo kamwisho.
Oi, nilidanganya nini baby?
Niko na feeling the boss.
Let me see. Oh yeah. I lied to my boss. I told him that I'm having my menses, so I won't manage to go to work. But I was not clean kwa text. I just told him, hey wakili, you know what? It's that time of the month. I won't manage to come.
That time of the month.
Yeah, and then it turns out nilikuwa mahali kwingine, which I'm not going to share.
Expose yourself.
Yeah. So yeah, that's like the current lie. Kila mtu ana nini.
We are checking up on them. We are checking up on our food. As you can see,
zimeanza kushika.
So
usijali sana, hiyo kama inaiva.
Obede inaanza kama mwishi.
Unakoroga tu.
And they love onions in oil.
I know.
So this is next level.
Ni kama zimeanza kuiva.
Kuiva.
As you can see zinabondeka, so you don't need to boil. Apparently they'll be ready. Hii meal ina take, I think, 15 minutes. Hata 15 zijaisha.
Itakuwa imeiva.
Itakuwa imeiva.
Okay, okay.
So you just stir kabisa. Now that zinaweza kushika, usilose hope, usiake maji. It's a no water, it's a no soup. So
you're not swimming today.
Yeah, so zimeanza kuiva, guys, as you can see. So yeah, we wait until
we give them
time.
Meaning you're going to share maji.
More time and more
patience.
Yeah.
Okay. But they look so nice.
I know. I love apparently unaweza kula ikiwa hivi. It's very sweet. Yeah.
Inaka chakula tamu, like ukisha make it.
That's it. So now this is the tricky part. Utashinda ukikoroga juu zinashika.
Oh, from there.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Ready?
Better shaiva.
Okay.
Inaka poa. They look nice.
Zimeiva kabisa. Yeah, na haiza take time. I think tunge time.
Para 10 minutes ijaisha.
Yeah. So after we're done like this, now we add our mbaazi.
Hivyo tu.
Yeah. So we add our mbaazi just like that. Alafu you just let them hivi kwanza unaziacha tu hivyo
zimari.
Yeah. Zioane. Alafu unafunikia for like 5 to 10 seconds. And then now you start.
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zipate tu tunataka tuzipate joto.
Okay.
Tunapata joto.
Ni hivyo. Oh. So guys, imagine ishaiva. Like it's that easy. Me, I'm even shocked. Ashatoa. It's nivo. It's over.
Our food is ready.
It's ready. Now it's time ya tulizifunikia mbaazi a very few seconds ndio zikuwa warm, ndio?
Yeah.
So they can become warm and zimari together. So she just said it's only time sa abonde and then nivo.
Yeah.
Or what else?
We serve.
For real?
Yeah.
That's easy.
Yeah, that is it. As you can see, bado sijakoroga, so you and for you to get like ndo mokimo yako ikwe
zielewana vizuri.
Yeah, zikwe mixed kabisa. You do it unabonda systematically. Like you just don't do like
you start from one corner.
Yeah.
Oh.
You just pole pole tu hadi umalize.
Unabondanga hivi.
Hapana. So that also the salt, the salad, the onions itakuwa everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, so that's it.
If you believe in yourself, you can cook. Like, hit me up. I want to be cooked for.
It's very easy. Try and cook at home. It's very easy. It takes less than even half an hour.
Seven shop. Mokimo na venye kwetu mokimo ni kazi.
Yeah.
Nafikirianga mokimo unaweza kufikiria mwaka.
Utawai boil.
Where will I start? Exactly. So mimi hii salad yangu ninatengeneza. Kuna nyanya, vitunguu na some mangoes. I'll just mix them up after she's done. Niweke some salt and some black pepper and that's it. So hivyo ndio inamaanisha one corner.
Yeah, one corner. Unaanza tu.
Systematically.
You don't do it like this, like mbio. You just pole tu.
Because zinaelewana. You can see the nini.
Pole until you're done.
Sawa.
Si viazi zangu zimeiva kabisa
Like hata hakuna tough ones.
Yeah.
Bora sijaonja hiyo salt. Mimi ndio kwanza kusikia salt. And how it tastes without amesema take it spices.
Yeah. No spice, no anything.
Ni hivyo tu.
Yeah. And if you think it's not sweet, you can just give me a call, DM me and come cook for you. Ama nikulete trick your cook to
mnaweza muita, she's ready.
Yeah, mnaweza niita. Watu wengi wanasemanga mokimo ni ngumu, but apparently to me it's the easiest meal. Like
Mira, you told me mokimo, I'm like,
yeah, mokimo is the easiest. Like for me, it's the easiest. This is my mom's
favorite meal.
Not really favorite. Like this is my mom's life hack. Hii ni life hack yake nimeshare boy. Enda nifunza, enda nini.
And you've shared it to the world.
Yeah. Well.
So guys, as an bonda mokimo, I want us to play a game. We're just going to do five of these. Inaitwa either or. Sinaitwa hivyo. Either or. I ask her what she prefers between one thing and the other, and then we get to know her taste.
Yep.
So the first one, unajibu mbio before you corrupt your mind.
Okay.
Coca-Cola or Fanta?
Fanta.
For you?
Yeah.
Who doesn't like Coca-Cola?
I hate Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola iko na gas mingi.
KFC or chicken in?
KFC.
True.
Coffee or tea?
Me? That's G, by the way.
No.
Coffee. Prefer coffee, I think. What else?
Good sex or good guy or good life? No, good sex or good life?
Tea! Good life.
Good life.
For real. For me.
Okay.
You?
Good sex. Good sex is part of good life. If you're having a good life with bad sex, sioni vile zina match. So yeah, good sex comes with good life. For real. Tebu nyinyi ambieni.
In the comment section down below.
Tell me.
What else? Guy, ice cream or pizza?
Pizza.
I don't need pizza all day, every day. I love cheese, like pizza. Oh my god. I love fatty food.
Yeah, me too.
Crepes, pizza. Hizo vitu unientice.
I hate cake.
Kumaliza.
Yeah, almost done.
What you hate?
Cake. Spendi keki.
Mimi napenda hata
like hata nikienda birthday.
Wewe ndio unataka snacks.
Si kulangi keki. Naonjanga tu kidogo. Then that's it, yeah. Nabeba home, nabeba.
I may bake, but I don't eat as much as a baker could take. It's because I don't love sugar, but I think it's different for everybody.
Yeah. A lot of girls, sometimes napenda chocolate. I don't love chocolate. Like at a normal day unilete choco, it won't excite me.
But you just eat.
Nitakula tu.
Hata mimi nafanya hivyo.
Lakini uniletea kina burger, kina pizza, kina hot dog.
That's the best thing in the world.
But you unilete keki. Nitakula tu, but I'll be like, I wish.
Are you sure ni mimi ama umepotea njia?
Just be like, guys, mokimo yangu, it is very very fine.
Like imeelewana vizuri.
Wow.
Yes.
Can't
wait. Feel mokimo inachokesha una S. Kama tuna nini systematically.
Naipenda when you do it like this, ikiwa imechanganyika, you take
because you're everywhere.
Yeah. When you do it in collectively.
So you've shared so many hacks right away.
One, kuweka salt.
Katakata ndogo. Kutoboil,
yeah. You have to
system
boil.
Like unaanza from one you need to another. So many things I also didn't know. So I hope you have learned something from this video.
Yeah.
Acha iive kwanza. Then you can go on. Like I'm salivating.
I know. It's just amazing and it's very very fast.
Really?
Very fast. Ukiwa home umeboeka uko na cereals kwa fridge, this is what
You should be doing.
Like you can do this with
Beans.
any other cereals. Beans.
Kuna na beans na fast.
Sana. Zote hata njahe. It's sweeter than any other mokimo shaikula. It's very sweet, especially because the method is different. But there, people, if you guys kama mnapenda kupika, I mean, you should check on your method. Sometimes your method determines the outcome of your food. You know, like the simple things.
That's a whole topic.
Yeah.
Method, difference your method, and is it the spices? Is it the ingredients of the method?
It's the method.
What matters?
Sometimes it's the method, sometimes it's the spice.
Like
zingine napika sukuma na yake
bado
itakuwa tamu. Yeah. So zingine it's the method, how you do it, you know. Because for me, I don't do spice. Like time yenye napika food spice, it's very very rare. Like rare, yeah.
Hey guys, we are back to serve to make the salad. To serve cute Italiano. Very added together. So guys, it's time for us to give it a taste test. So I made the salad and she's going to taste it she's going to taste my salad and I'm going to taste her mokimo. And then we're going to tell you our genuine opinions of how we think the food is.
Yep.
So I'm very excited. Amesema ni tamu
sana.
So nianza na mokimo. Nichukue piece nipeleke kwenye mdomo. Flavor nayo.
Tell them about the salt.
Bila salt, guys. Bila salt kwa sawa.
Ice kiki, like it's not raw kama ile ya kuweka juu, right?
Steam it.
Yeah, like everything is just blended.
Like uski salt, but haina kitu.
Yeah. It's just the taste is just enough.
Yes.
Everything is enough. The salad is enough. The salt is enough. It's
Sasa taste my salad, my salsa.
Okay.
Ushakula mango salsa?
No. This is my first time.
Usikia crunch alafu utamu alafu.
Wow. Mtajaji tunapenda maembe. I think it's because lakini I've never taken this before.
Umesikia? Na imagine kachumbari.
Sweeter than ile ya avocado.
So imagine acha ni taste pamoja. Salsa pamoja na mokimo.
Oh my god. I think I'm going to carry this.
Unasikia? Kan. Moja pamoja na mokimo, unasikia? Wow.
If you love mangoes,
Hii salsa.
salad. Oh my god. Tani nilikuwa nimeshiba na kini.
Ameanshibika. It's so sweet. Kwanza ni take pamoja. Like hiyo mango inaleta some utamu yenye unge expect.
And the kitunguu
ni crunchy. Hata uweki kwa maji moto kitunguu. So we want it equal.
yeah.
Alafu sasa usikie the sukari then.
Some feelings ziko ni ndani. You can only feel them. Yeah. Wow.
Yo mukime iko na flavor. Let's say meje kwa spices. Salt iko kwa food. So unataka kutumia.
Yeah. Haina additive yote ni kitunguu tu. I was very specific. Spring onion. See around.
Oh, spring onions. Na ni mingi. Like ni very easy to make very fast.
Very fast.
Huh.
You just kata, prepare, take your time.
Mama anataka kula.
Wow. This is good.
I think kwanza ukipikia kwa kamera inakuwa tamu zaidi.
Okay. We saved this food for genuine reaction. So
What's your taste?
you can imagine. It's John that has salt, by the way. Nimepika hivyo bila kuanza salt. That's food imeisha. Unafaa kushake.
Hata food imeisha.
Unafaa kushake ikiwa ni wewe.
Maliza.
Ni utamu whatever.
Yes, my salad. My salad. Hadi akaongeza ni hivyo.
Tamu. Wow.
Exactly. It's only at Wairimu. It's only at. No flavor.
Nilikuwa nimeshiba by the way, but now.
So guys, we have come to the end of this amazing video. I really enjoyed myself, like you've seen.
I also
chakula
enjoyed.
ilikuwa tamu.
Yeah, very sweet. Apparently,
Hata bado tunakula. We're just waiting to stop. You see? Utamu. Only at Wairimu. So make sure you guys join the family by hitting that subscribe button as she did. And if you want to come and join me and cook for me, if you have any tips you want to share with everybody else, you just hit me up.
Give this video a thumbs up, like it.
Yes, exactly.
And don't forget to click
to hit
the subscribe button. Yeah.
Join the family, please. And her name is Wanjira, and I'm going to leave her link in the description box for you to stalk her. I know you're interested.
Please.
Tunamsukuma when you be up on YouTube, so when her channel is up, I'm going to let you know.
Yeah. And
I'm going to be doing more videos. Her hacks are just on another level.
Please let your favorite YouTuber know if you enjoyed this video with us. Thank you very much for the invitation. Thank you. Anyone who is watching, I'm more than humbled to be here with the Wairimu Eats company and friends and everyone. So yeah, follow me, do whatever that is supposed to be done.
All those good
Wajira_, that's me. And thank you. Bye.
So guys, I'm sorry you'll have to end. Hey, no time. Adi ako very distant. Ako too. Only at Wairimu Eats. But anyway guys, I'll have to end this video here, but don't worry, I will definitely see you in my next one. But for this one, it's a wrap. Peace.
Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Wait,